that ring light. Oh no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. Today I've got a really exciting video for you guys. So I received a really exciting parcel in the mail today. So I raced home, grabbed my camera, set it up ready to film this video for you guys because I just could not wait and I wanted to unbox it on camera for you guys. Inside this box is the 2018 Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you guys don't know what lucky bags are, they are also known as Fukubukuro in Japan. Basically at New Year's time, brands will release lucky bags full of random surprise products inside. Sometimes they're great, other times they're not. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about Fukubukuro, so I am really hoping the Beautylish one is going to be a good one and not a bad one. But it is full of makeup products. So Beautylish is a beauty website where you can buy makeup, skincare, tools, all of those things. And every year they do a lucky bag, and this is actually my very first one. Not just my first one from Beautylish, but my first lucky bag in general. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. It cost me about, I think it was 90 US dollars, which is about 110 to 120 Australian dollars. So I feel like in Australia, 120 bucks isn't actually going to get you that much in terms of makeup products, so we'll see what's actually in here. I can't wait any longer. Let's open up this box and unveil the bag. That is the bag inside. Oh, the packaging's really cute. It's got all of these like cartoon gods on them and it's got a tag. Let's read that. So, lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Cute. Okay, so let's take it out of the box. So this is the lucky bag itself, and actually it's not really a bag at all. It's just a bunch of products wrapped up in tissue paper and then sort of wrapped around with the printed paper. So it's like not really a bag, but like that doesn't matter. I'm just interested in what's inside. So let's unwrap this guy. I'll just rip open the sticker. Whoop. Ooh, okay, so I'll lift this up so you can kind of see, but once you unwrap the paper, there's a bunch of little parcels in there, all wrapped up with black paper, so I guess I'll just unwrap them one by one. Okay, that one's just paper, and that one's just paper, and I think this one's just paper. Oh, okay, so all of the little parcels I thought that they were inside are actually just bundles of paper, and there is one parcel inside. I kind of feel like that's a little bit misleading. I would love it if like the whole package looked really big, like there was going to be a ton of stuff in there, and then it's just this inside that big parcel. It's so small. Like it is pretty heavy. Like there might be a few things in there. Oh, better be a few things in there. So inside that package there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So I paid about 120 Australian dollars, and that does include shipping. So that's, call it like $20 an item. So that's pretty good in terms of beauty products. So let's have a look at what's actually in here. First thing is the By Terry Hyaluronic Sheer Rouge Hydra Balm Fill and Plump Lipstick. Okay, there was just some French on there that I couldn't read. So that's that guy there. So this is a lipstick in the shade 5 Dragon Pink. I actually don't own a lot from By Terry, but I know that it's a really good brand because they stock it at Mecca Cosmetica and they only stock the good stuff. So this is the bullet that's inside. It's just a plain silver bullet with the By Terry logo on the top. That is the lipstick there. It's kind of a fuchsia color. I don't know whether I'd actually wear that, but let's swatch it so you guys can see. Okay, it's pretty sheer. It's just like a pink color. It kind of looks like highlighter pink in my viewfinder. Like the formula looks really nice. I feel like it'd be a really good one for like every day, but if it wasn't like in this color, I think it's a really pretty color, but I just don't think I would wear it. I don't think it would really suit me, this kind of pink. So next we've got the Becca Under Eye Brightening Concealer. Oh my god, is this the concealer? I have a feeling that this is like a really good concealer. Is it Becca that I'm thinking of? It just comes in this little, almost like a lip balm. It's actually a really nice color on the lid. I wish that was like a highlighter color. Just looking at it though, it does look like it's gonna be a little bit fair on me. Let's open it up. Ooh. Ah, guys, it's got a little bit sweaty inside. That's okay, right? Can you see that? It's got little like sweat drops on there. I mean, sometimes that does happen with gel, cream, or sort of pomade type products. So I'm not like totally surprised, but it looks like it's just sweat and not like mold or anything like that. Like I feel like this is definitely still okay to use, but I don't know about the color. For me, it's more of a pinky color, but it might be good for concealing under eye circles. Should I put my finger in there? Let's just try it. Ooh. Oh, it says it's an under eye brightening corrector, but I feel like this is more like a highlighter. That this would just make your under eyes really, really shiny. Can you see that? It's almost like a highlighter. And it's quite sheer. Maybe it would be nice for brightening the under eye. It says it's a brightening corrector, but I don't know whether it would actually conceal anything, but it's a nice color. I just feel like products of this consistency don't really work on my skin because I have oily skin. At least it's really weird. Like in the morning I've got dry skin, and then towards the end of the day I've got oily skin. Maybe it's a highlighter. Maybe I'll just use it as a highlighter. Next, we've got the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Oh my god! Okay, so I've actually wanted one of these for so long, but they've always been like out of stock. I really, really wanted to try these because they look so beautiful. Every time I go into store, I always swatch them and oh my god, now I've got my own one. This is the shade Molten Midnight. I'm so excited about this. So it's just this black liquid eyeshadow with lots of gold glitter in it. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is so pretty. Actually, it kind of comes off as more of a silver glitter on my skin. It looked like gold in the actual tube, but maybe that's because the packaging is kind of gold. But look at that. That is one swipe. Holy wow. What? So next we've got the Sanskrit Saponins SS. What are you? What is this? I think it's skincare. I feel like it's skincare. It says to use once every other day in the AM or PM. That sounds like something you would do with skincare. Let's open this guy. What is this? Maybe cleanser? Oh, I like the tube. It kind of reminds me of it. Is it Antipodes that I'm thinking of, or maybe Aesop? I don't really know what it is though. Have you guys heard of this brand? I have not. The product is called SS, but I don't know whether that's just like Sanskrit Saponins. Maybe I'll Google it and then I will put a description of what it is over here because I don't know what it is. Anyway, that's cool. Next, oh, okay, so there was actually 7 items in here because this guy was hiding. This is a, wow, this is a Wayne Goss eyeshadow brush. This is the brush number 16. Let's just, come on, get out of there. Get out of the packaging. I don't own anything by Wayne Goss, but I do watch some of his YouTube videos and he is a makeup master. Wow. So this is just a tapered eyeshadow brush. It must be, I think, for blending maybe colors in your crease or something like that. It really, really reminds me of a calligraphy brush just by like how it looks, the shape of the brush head. It's super soft. How luxurious. Oh, bubble wrap. Should we just turn this into an ASMR video? Okay, enough of that. Inside the bubble wrap is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette number 5. So this guy is really up my alley, especially this shade over here. I think this is Moonstone, judging by the guide on the back. So let's give them a bit of a swatch. This one is Moonstone. This is the one that I'm really looking forward to. Whoa, okay. You are pretty. How gorgeous is that? It's like a rose gold sort of coppery color. Next we've got Cool Plum. Oh, that's really nice. It's actually shimmery. I thought it was going to be matte, but it's like a shimmery sort of cocoa color. Next we've got Oxide, which is a rusty kind of, whoa. What? It's like a rusty brown, red color. Wow, okay. That's freaking gorgeous. Wow, okay, I'm really impressed by this palette so far. Next we've got Cool Bronze. I'm running out of fingers here. Lucky there's 5 shades and I've got 5 fingers on each hand. Wow, this one is like really gold. What what is going on? Is this real life? Okay, let's do a thumb swatch. This is the shade Aura. Does anyone really swatch with their thumbs? I feel like I'm just being lazy. Whoa, just look at that on my thumb. That's crazy. Okay. Whoop, stunning. Okay, what a win. That is absolutely gorgeous. Like, whoa. So the last product in this lucky bag is the Jouer Skinny Dip Collection Powder Highlighter. I've heard so many good things about Jouer highlighters, so let's open it up. Come on. This one's in bubble wrap too. I like that they've wrapped all of the powder products in bubble wrap. Like, that shows they've got, you know, they care about not sending their products broken. You know, that's a plus. This is their powder highlighter in the shade Skinny Dip. I have heard so many good things about their highlighters, so the fact that one has come in this bag is just, ooh, expectations are high. Hello, viewfinder. Videoception. Woo. Okay, so let's open her up. Whoa, that is so pretty. We'll say, just looking at it in the pan, it does look like pretty dark for a highlighter, at least for my skin tone. It does look a little bit brighter on camera because of the light behind you, but in real life it's more of a bronzy color. Like, I feel like it's really similar to this guy from the Natasha Denona palette. Let's swatch it and find out. Where shall we swatch this guy? Let's use here. Wow. That is so pretty. But it is really similar to that shade Moonstone in the Natasha Denona palette. That. Can you kind of like, I'll swatch it next to it and you can see. Oh, actually next to each other it's more of a golden color. Oh, they do look pretty similar on camera though, hey? So guys, that is everything that I got from the Beautylish 2018 lucky bag, and like, wow. I definitely feel like it was more than $120 worth. Let me do a quick tally and I'll tell you guys how much everything costed altogether. So I just tallied it all up. Holy moly, it was 224 US dollars, which converted into Australian dollars is $281. But I mean, for 120 Australian dollars, getting $281 worth of value and some amazing products in there, like some of them really, really impressed me. I mean, the value totally came out of that Natasha Denona palette, the Jouer highlighter, the Stila Magnificent Metals. Like, I am more than happy with the products that I got in there. So I think this lucky bag definitely gets a thumbs up from me. It was really, really good. I'm super happy with it. I mean, it makes me want to get more lucky bags in the future. This is my very first one and it was such a win. So I think I'm definitely going to get the Beautylish bag next year when they release it. What do you guys think? What are your experiences with lucky bags? Have you ever bought a lucky bag before? If you have, let me know what it was in the comments below and what you thought of it, because I'd love to know. I mean, in Australia, we don't really have lucky bags. It's not really like a thing, but apparently, you know, it's very big in Japan, and obviously Beautylish, an American company, they've decided to do it as well in the last couple of years, so maybe they'll bring it to Australia one day. But if you guys know of any really good lucky bags that I could check out next year, let me know, because this was really fun and I like doing unboxing videos for you guys. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.